If you're choosing between AnythingLLM and LM Studio, this is not a direct which AI is smarter comparison. It's a platform versus engine situation. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. AnythingLLM is an all-in-one AI workspace. It's designed for chatting with documents, building knowledge bases, and running AI agents with features like RAG, vector databases, and multi-user collaboration. The biggest advantage is that everything is built in. You upload files, and it handles retrieval, context, and responses automatically. It's great for turning your data into a second brain. The downside is that it doesn't run models itself. It relies on other tools like LM Studio, Alma, or APIs in the background. LM Studio, on the other hand, is a local model runner. It lets you download, run, and tweak open-source LLMs directly on your computer with a clean interface. Its biggest strength is control. You can choose any model, adjust parameters, and run everything fully offline. It's also very beginner-friendly for local AI since you don't need to touch the command line. The downside is that it's more basic in terms of workflows. It doesn't handle documents, knowledge bases, or advanced AI pipelines out of the box. So the real difference is this. AnythingLLM is the brain system, while LM Studio is the engine. So which one wins? Choose AnythingLLM if you want document AI, knowledge bases, and a complete productivity system. Choose LM Studio if you want to run local models, experiment, and have full control over performance. Bottom line, LM Studio is better for running AI, while AnythingLLM is better for using AI, and the best setup for most power users is actually using both together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.